This is Project0 of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript, and here's the result. Project0 was about designing a front end for Google Search, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. Let's take a look at it. There are 4 files. index.html for Google Search, image.html for Google Image Search, advanced.html for Google Advanced Search, and styles.css for styling all these 3 HTML files. Let's go and look around index.html, which is the Google search page. On this page, we have Google Image Search and Advanced Search links in the upper right of the page. On the other page, we have Google Search links to go back. There is a search bar where you can type what to search. It's centered with rounded corners. For example, let's search about seoultech. And if you click Google Search, which is also centered and beneath the search bar, as you can see, there is a search results for seoultech. And also, there's I'm feeling lucky button on this page. Let's try again with seoultech. As you know, a redirect node is expected, so let's pass it. Now, we have burst search results for seoultech, which is seoultech's main page. Let's go to Google Image Search page. On this page, we can see there is search bar again. Let's search seoultech again. And click search button. There's a seoultech image results. Finally, Google Advanced Search page. There are 4 fields and they are stacked vertically, while left aligned, which was taken from Google's original Advanced page. Advanced Search button is blue with white text, as you can see. Let's bind pages with including seoultech. Exact word of computer. Optional image or video. And no ICT. Click search. And you can see the whole results. Additionally, let's compare to original google.com. Wait a second. I try to resemble Google's aesthetic, which is simplicity. There's not much things on the search field around. And also, as you can see, that when both pages widths are changing, Google bar and Google logo and other links are automatically moving. This is my Project0 result. Thank you for watching.